Hi guys, it's Brooke with WTI and I'm here to talk to you today about this Fisher-Price pizza toy. We love this in our house. We've had it for almost a year now for our baby boy, and as you can see, it's still in great condition. He slides the thing all over the floor, and so far we have not had any problems. It's still working. As you can see, it's so easy to turn on. That's how you turn it on to English.
Hello, it's nice to meet you.
It has all these punny sayings that it says, and it's pretty awesome. That's our favorite. It teaches him about all the shapes, and they have all these songs and stuff.
Nice to meet sausage and cheese with lots of toppings, if you please.
I got him to start dancing. It also opens up like this, and it counts. So you can learn counting. So we love this toy so much. Our baby does too, and it's super durable, as you can see. And also, obviously, for any pizza lover, it's a must-have. Our whole family loves this Fisher-Price pizza, and you will too, but that's just my point of view.